Hi, in this tutorial, you will learn how to use the help of smart assistants when creating an article. When you create content in the story editor and you want to use the hints, find the icon with pink stars in the editing bar and select Smart Assistant. A view will open where you will see several different types of suggestions simultaneously. Main title, SEO title, story summaries, tags, block titles, and personalization titles. In each block, you can ask the AI to generate new suggestions by clicking the Regenerate icon. If you like a suggestion but want to modify it, you can do it directly in this view by clicking the Edit icon. For each title suggestion, you can also see information about the number of characters. If you are satisfied with a particular suggestion, select it. The Tag widget will show you which tags are assigned to your content and suggestions for which tags you can also use. If you want to add a suggested tag, just click it. The title for the block and Super Aureus titles are suitable for newsrooms that use lists and personalization. Once you have selected all the suggestions you wanted, remember to click Save. Selected titles, tags, and summaries will appear in the content. Remember that for the assistant to work, the article must have a minimum of 300 characters. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you.